Welcome to Sticky Nose. Today's question is something we've all experienced in the kitchen. Why do onions make us cry? Let's uncover the science behind those tears. When you cut an onion, you break open its tiny cells. While the onion is whole, certain chemicals are kept apart inside it. Cutting the onion lets those chemicals mix. Once the onion is sliced, those chemicals mix, and that's when the trouble begins. The onion releases a gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This gas floats up into the air and reaches your eyes. When it touches your eyes, it reacts with the moisture there and forms a mild acid. Your eyes think they're under attack. To protect themselves, your eyes produce tears to wash away the irritating chemical. That's why your eyes burn and why you start crying. So no, onions don't hurt your feelings. It's pure chemistry. Have you noticed that some onions make you cry a lot, while others barely affect you? That's because different onions contain different amounts of sulfur compounds. Red and white onions usually have more of these chemicals, while sweet onions have less, so they're easier on your eyes. Onions didn't evolve to annoy humans. The tear-causing chemical is actually a defense mechanism. When animals or insects try to eat an onion, the strong smell and irritation help protect the plant by driving them away. There are a few tricks to reduce onion tears. Using a sharp knife causes less cell damage. Chilling the onion slows down the chemical reaction. And cutting onions under running water can help wash the gas away. They don't always work perfectly, but they can help. If you enjoyed this everyday science mystery, like the video, subscribe, and stay curious with Sticky Nose. Thanks for watching.